Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video we're going to be making a warm and cozy cream of broccoli soup, and it's very healthy for you. It will not raise your cholesterol levels and it'll keep you on a healthy track during this month of December. And back behind me, I had to show you, we just got 1 foot of snow in North Pole, Alaska. It looks like a literal snow globe. So let's get started on today's video. Now to get this soup started, all we got to do is peel some potatoes and dice up 3 cups. Next, I'm just dicing up 2 celery ribs until I get a 1 cup measure. Now for the soup, we'll go ahead and dice up 1 large onion. Okay, get your soup pot out and you can go ahead and add all of these 3 ingredients into your soup pot, and then go ahead and mince 1 garlic clove. Now go ahead and add 3 cups of water. Now the potatoes are almost tender, so I'm going to go ahead and add 5 cups of broccoli. If you are using raw broccoli, just add it a little bit earlier before your potatoes are done. Now using these herbs really brings out a great flavor in the soup, and at the end you can also add more. Now I'm giving it a stir and making sure everything is nice and tender. And I like to scoop out about half of all the vegetables because I like my soup kind of chunky. And then I'm adding about half, well, it takes like 2 cups of milk, and I'm using West soy milk and it's unsweetened, and you can add buttermilk or whatever kind of milk you like. And I'm just blending it up with my hand blender. I'm on a low cholesterol diet, so I like to use soy milk instead. Adding 1 more cup there, and now you can taste your soup and adjust your seasonings. I added another teaspoon of salt and some fresh ground pepper, and go ahead and adding the rest of the chunks of the vegetables now to make it nice and chunky and delicious. And adding more basil, this really brings out the flavor and a little bit more of the spices. Go ahead and add exactly what you like as you taste it. This soup turns out so creamy and delicious. It is very comforting. And I made some fresh sourdough bread, which goes perfect with the soup. This is a great meal that you can have. We are having really chilly weather in Alaska, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Happy cooking!